Welcome to Day 5 of the 30-Day AI Side Hustle Challenge, the turning point where we move from making sales to maximizing every sale, because building wealth online isn't just about product volume or traffic, it's about extracting maximum value from each hard-won customer. And the three fastest levers are psychological, anchoring, irresistible bundles, and charm pricing, which together can raise your average order value by 40% or more in a single weekend without spending a penny on extra ads. So grab your notebook, because the next 10 minutes will permanently rewire how you price everything you sell. First, grasp anchoring. Humans compare new prices to the first number they see. So if you launch a meal planner PDF at $5 without context, buyers think cheap printable, but if you position it beside a premium deluxe planner at $29, suddenly $5 feels like a steal and conversions jump. Better yet, set 3 tiers: bronze, $3.99, silver, $9.99, gold, $24.99. Most people gravitate toward the middle tier, lifting AOV instantly. To build these anchors quickly, prompt ChatGPT, outline 3 tiered offers for a digital budget planner. Adding 1 premium element per tier, copy the output, create a gold tier by adding editable Canva files, 0 extra labor, but perceived high-value upload to Etsy or Gumroad, and list tiers side by side in your store description. Second, understand bundling. Buyers love done-for-you packs that solve a cluster of pain points in one purchase. So turn 5 single recipe cards into a 30-day stress-free dinner kit. Price it higher than the sum of parts, but lower than buying individually if each page sells for $2. Bundle at $9.99, so customers feel they save 99 cents, but you sell more pages per order. Every new product you create should quickly slot into a larger bundle or be cross-bundled across niches. Use Canva Magic Resize to repurpose existing designs into matching style assets. Then export and package via zip in Gumroad. Upsell bundles directly in your 5-email funnel from day 2 by adding a PS line. Need the entire recipe system? Grab the dinner kit at 20% off link. Third is charm pricing, the classic $9.99 versus $10 effect, which still works because brains see the leftmost digit first. But you can to its power by aligning charm prices with value. Q's $4.97 sounds precise and dated, while $4.90 feels like a friendly, rounded deal. Test both with a B listings by cloning identical product pages 1 at $9.99, another at $10.49 with a limited bonus sticker. Track Etsy or Gumroad stats for a week. Keep the winner. Next, add a scarcity window. Set Gumroad to automatically display 6 left at intro price or use Etsy as limited quantity badge. Scarcity multiplies charm pricing. Because shoppers fear missing the lower tier, amplify everything with price anchoring visuals. In Canva, design a pricing chart: bronze crossed out at $7, now $3.99 in green. Silver bold boxed, gold with star icon reading best value. Upload the image as listing photo 1. Visuals encode the anchor before shoppers read a word of text. Use ChatGPT again. Write a 150-word bullet description highlighting savings when purchasing the bundle versus singles. Paste under pricing chart for quick credibility. To scale across products, maintain a price matrix sheet in Google Sheets. Columns for product name, single price, bundle components, bundle price, premium upsell, profit margin, color code, AOV, gains each iteration. So you quickly clone successful structures into new niches. If you fear raising prices will tank sales, run a weekend test. Increase bundle price by 20% and use Etsy's Run Sale feature to show original price struck out feeds still show sale 20% off, but customers anchor to higher perceived value. Track conversion drop: if sales dip less than 20%, your revenue rises. Layer charm pricing into email funnels. In email for ad, use code CHARM17 for 17% off. Creating novelty versus typical 10%, people love odd discounts. Click-through skyrockets, deploy order bumps on Gumroad, toggle premium order bump at checkout. Add editable Canva template for just $3.49 and watch 25% of buyers click. Tie pricing to social proof. Day after someone purchases bronze, send automated MailerLite email. Most buyers upgrade to silver within a week, want 30% off the difference. One-click upsell increases lifetime value without new traffic. Now integrate all three tactics into your storefront homepage banner. Large headline: your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.